everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna get back into the alphabet challenge. I haven't done one in a couple weeks now. So today's letter is the letter T for toilet. Fun primary school memories. And the options that I have today are teddy, taco, tennis ball, Tinkerbell, toothpaste, tiger lily, taffy, tulip, train, tree, tangerine, tiger, teal, turtle. Okay, so I've got my spinning wheel here and I'm just gonna click it to pick. It's taking a while. Ooh, it's almost on. What does it say? Taco. Oh god. Okay. Today's video is gonna be taco. So let's get started. Okay, so for my reference picture, I'm gonna look at doing something like this. I don't know, looks kind of fun. I've done my base makeup already, so I've just put my foundation on and my eyebrows. So I'm gonna finish off my highlighter and my blush. So I'm gonna go in with my It Cosmetics blush. Honestly, I have no idea what this is called, but it's the same blush I used in my last video, or makeup video, I think, so yeah. Just gonna put this on the apples of my cheeks. I already put a little bit of liquid highlighter on underneath, that's just a white colour, and I'll just add more afterwards. Highlighter today, I'm going to be going in with my Jeffree Star Cosmetics X Mani MUA highlighter in the shade Uranus. I really like the little star thing, it's really cute. Okay, so I'm going to do the rest of this video as like a voiceover kind of thing, just so I can focus on what I'm doing. Okay, so now we're in voiceover mode. I'm literally just taking my black liquid eyeliner and shaping out the shape of the taco. You can see my head moving a lot. I'm looking at my reference picture because I have apparently no memory, so yep, that's that. Wow, this like movement looks really slow, even though this is sped up twice the normal speed, so I must be doing it really slow. Also, sorry about the lighting, I don't know what it was, but using natural lighting is such a hassle, holy heck. So I'm gonna go in with my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Thirsty palette and take the Quench shade, which is just the yellow. And I'm just gonna put this in my taco shell and layer this on like quite a lot because it's not as pigmented as it used to be. It's really old eyeshadow. Forgive me. But yeah, so I layer this a couple times just to get it as opaque as I can. And now going into my Alien palette, taking the shade Alien, doing like a thing under the taco. I don't even know what I'm trying to say. You see what I do. It's basically just like a lettuce strip, green strip, yeah. And now I'm just going to start outlining the shape of my lettuces and tomatoes that are going to be on the top of my taco shell. I explain it a little bit better just later on in the video, so just wait for that, please. Oh my lord, just let me say, this was the trickiest thing, and I have the shakiest hands right now, but this little one here is going to be some lettuce. This is a tomato, and this is a lettuce, again. And I don't know, this is also lettuce, and this is the taco shell. It looks like a mess, but you have to remember, I'm blind. Okay, this is my only excuse for the reason why it's looking really bad. Okay, back to the tutorial. So now I'm just going to take my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour lipstick in the shade Equality, and I'm going to use this on a eyeliner brush to fill in the lettuces. So I'm just going to clean off that brush with the green shade on it and use the red rum shade. They're both from the Equality lip bundle from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Yes, I'm going to use the red rum shade for the top of my tomato. Now mixing in a little bit of the flamethrower shade as well as the red rum shade. I'm going to colour in my little tomato inside bits. I don't even know what to call them. OMG guys, this is the taco. Oh my god. I love it. I'm so proud of myself. I love it so much. Okay. For inner corner highlight, I'm going to take my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in the shade Uranus. And for eyeliner, using the shade Teaspoon from Colourpop Cosmetics. This is just a green shade to tie in the lettuce theme. And for tight lining, going in with my black Maybelline eyeliner. Sorry, I like to sing. And for mascara, I'm going to go in with my Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit. Okay, so I hope you can understand I don't want to do the second eye because I'm really bad at eyeliner on this eye and I've also got to go to work, so I'm sorry. What should we do for lipstick? What should we do for lipstick? Probably just a nude. I'm gonna go in with my Colourpop Cosmetics Luxe lipstick in the shade Layover. It's just a nice brownie nude color. I love these lipsticks so much. They just glide on so well. Oh yeah. So yeah, this is the finished look. This is taco. This is like, I love this so much. I say that about every look I do, but honestly, it is such a cool look. Sorry that I didn't do both eyes. We can just pretend I did. But yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!